Listen, viewers or my dear students. Today I am discussing about acids. You know chapter number 2 of chemistry, class 10th. You have to study about acids, bases and salts. The today topic about acids. I have written on the board acids. It means today you have to study about only acids. Okay. So listen, two written here. First hydrochloric acid and second sulfuric acid. So listen about it. Arrhenius. Arrhenius Arrhenius gave definition of acid substances after dissolving in water provides hydrogen ion. So such substances are called acids. See in this example, hydrochloric acid, its aqueous solution. It means after dissolving in water, it provides hydrogen ion. Beside it, chloride ion. So releasing of hydrogen ion, it indicates this substance is acid. It means HCl is acid. Second example, see H2SO4, hydrogen sulfate or sulfuric acid. After dissolving in water, it means aqueous, it provides hydrogen ion plus sulfate ion. The releasing of hydrogen ion indicates this substance is acid. It means sulfuric acid is an acid. So definition all students have understood. कि substances after dissolving in water provides hydrogen ion. So such substances are called acids. So I have discussed about definition of acid and two examples I have given on the board. Now listen, second topic you have to study about preparation. So generally acid is prepared by two ways. First, synthetic method. Here see hydrogen reacts with chlorine and form hydrogen chloride. It means hydrochloric acid. So first method, synthetic method. Second, by dissolving acidic oxide in water. Sulfur dioxide reacts with water, then form here you have to write H2SO4, H2SO4, SO3, H2O, H2SO4. This is sulfuric acid. Second, see carbon dioxide plus water react chemically and form carbonic acid. What is this? This is carbonic acid. Here sulfuric acid. So by dissolving acidic oxide in water, the two methods of preparation I have discussed. Now listen, properties. So properties I have mentioned on the board, chemical reaction based. First, all students, metal react with water, then form metallic chloride and hydrogen gas. It means salt and hydrogen. The sodium react with hydrochloric acid, then form sodium chloride and hydrogen. Second, listen, by heating, or you can say by reacting metallic carbonate or metallic bicarbonate with acid, then form salt, water and carbon dioxide. See first example, sodium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid, then form sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Same way, sodium bicarbonate react with sulfuric acid, then form sodium sulfate plus water and carbon dioxide. So I think both cases, metallic carbonate or metallic bicarbonate, after reacting with acid form salt, water and carbon dioxide. Third reaction, see, metallic oxide react with acid. Then for metallic, salt plus water. I have written here. Sodium oxide react with hydrochloric acid. Then for sodium chloride and water. Second, calcium oxide react with hydrochloric acid. Then for calcium chloride and water. One more example you can give. Potassium hydrochloride. So you have question balance में है. Listen students. Two more example. Potassium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid. Then form potassium chloride. Okay. Potassium chloride and water. It means group of atoms are exchanged. Okay. Second, sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid. Then form sodium chloride and water. Beside it, some more properties you know. Taste of acid is sour. Aqueous solution of acid conduct electricity. pH value you know of acid less than 7. You know effect on litmus paper. So acid turns blue litmus paper to red. Listen again. Blue litmus solution, after mixing acid, it turns blue to red. I have discussed today about only preparation, properties, usage and definition with example. Beside it you can say uses. Listen, the uses hydrochloric acid. Generally hydrochloric acid you know helps in digestion in our body. It softens our food. It kills germs. Sulfuric acid, it is used as battery storage. Nitric acid, it is used as fertilizer. Acetic acid, you know, it is used as vinegar. You know some terms related to acid. Mineral acid, I think some acids are dissolved in water, so they are called mineral acid. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, it contains mineral. Organic acid, carbon hydrogen based acid is called organic acid. You know formic acid, acetic acid. Now you know about dilute acid. Acid, I think more water in it, so this is dilute acid. Concentrated acid, I think less amount of acid, this is concentrated acid. So today I have discussed about acid topic. Thank you for